nearly 2 months. There was absolutely no place to hide. The mid-cap index also lost well over 1%. We've got now Anuj Singhal joining in with the day's highlights. Not a great start to the week, Anuj.
Not a great start to the week, and it's expiry week, so it was a bit of a triple whammy for the market. Apart from the China issue, the China market was down 8%, and the whole P-note controversy that was there first thing in the morning. The fact that it was the start of the expiry week also meant that technically the market had that much weight to carry, and that's why you saw the kind of decline that you saw. In fact, the market decline was secular. No sector or stock was spared, and the market ended at low point for third consecutive day. Let's talk about some of the stocks then. In terms of heavyweights, the top 6 contributors to the market decline in terms of heavyweights were all stocks from different sectors. ICICI Bank, Larsen & Toubro, Infosys, all down between 2 to 3%. Not just that, we had stocks like HDFC, Reliance Industries, Tata Motors, all of them also down between 2 to 3.5% in trades. These were the 6 big draggers on the market, but these were not the biggest losers. Take a look at the biggest losers on the index. You had a Tata Steel, before that, just a word on the banks. Axis Bank, Yes Bank and PNB were all lower by about 3 to 4%. But in terms of biggest nifty losers, you had stocks like Tata Steel, you had Hero MotoCorp, both of them down 5%. Hindalco was down about 4%. Not just that, some more losers, ONGC, KN, Bharti, some of the stronger stocks like Bharti Airtel also falling in trade today, down about 4%. So it was a rough day. A lot of index stocks were falling 4% or more. In terms of mid-cap stocks, today was about earnings, and there were some positive reactions as well, apart from some negative reactions. For example, Jindal Saw and Geometric reacted positively to the earnings, while IOB was down about 6%. So as I said, the trend now clearly with the bears, and it will be interesting to see if that trend can change up until expiry, because expiry weeks normally are about momentum, and the momentum right now is with the bears.
All right, Anuj, thanks so much for that. So indeed a tough start to the week for the bulls in Dalal Street. Well, here's a story from China that spooked our markets. The Shanghai Composite today crashed by 8.5% at close of trade. That's the worst one-day fall in 8